Alrighty, welcome back. We are looking at our scrapbook page, and mine's not stapled, so I'm just going to pull out the rest of my scrapbook so that way I only have my Kwanzaa page. We just read about Kwanzaa and learned a little bit about it, and like I said, Kwanzaa is celebrated in the United States as well as some other places too. I don't know all of those, to be completely honest. I would assume Africa might be one of those places, but again, I'm not completely honest. So we're looking at our map, and this time, because Kwanzaa is celebrated a whole bunch of places, we are going to color in all of North America. Okay? So all of this section. Just where different people live. That's not necessarily a certain spot. It's just wherever those people live that celebrate it. Okay, and this little dude over here. Alright, so in North America, it is celebrated Kwanzaa. And then we're going to look at the flag. The flag has 3 stripes. The top stripe is red. I did kind of forget to tell you that you needed coloring tools. You need red, black, and green. This top stripe is red. Try not to take all of your time with just coloring this top strip. So I'm going to do it a little quickly. You could do it a little slower. Okay? So once you get your top strip red, the middle strip is black. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to color this part black. Again, I'm going a little bit quick just so that way I don't take all of your time and have to have a third video. Okay, and then the bottom is green. Oh, oops. I just remembered something that I was supposed to do in our morning meeting and I forgot. Alrighty, here is our map. I'm going to make this color so we can see the rest of our page and focus it a little bit more. My red always looks orange. How do you say Happy Kwanzaa? In the story, you heard me, I'm sure, butcher the Swahili words about the different things for Kwanzaa, but if you know someone who celebrates Kwanzaa, we don't tell them Happy Kwanzaa. My marker. We tell them Joyous Kwanzaa. So Joyous. That's one word. Joyous. Kwanzaa is right up here. Okay. WANZAA. So if you know someone who celebrates Kwanzaa and you want to tell them a happy Kwanzaa or happy holidays, you would say Joyous Kwanzaa. You can go ahead and pause it to look at the letters and write your words, or to finish coloring your sections too. Kwanzaa is a 7-day event that ends with a blank and gift giving. So this is it ends with a feast. Remember how their family and friends came over to the house in the story and they had a feast, and then the brother showed up during the feast. The next one says there are blank principles of Kwanzaa that honor African heritage. Do you remember how many candles are on the Kinara? There's 7. 7 candles and 7 principles. I am actually going to grab my brown marker just so that way ours looks like the one that we're going to make. So then over here in this circle, we're going to draw our own Kinara. Again, not perfect, the best that you can. There's going to be 1 candle in the middle. And then there's 3 candles on each side. 1, 2. The little brown rectangles that I'm drawing are to hold the candles. If you look at the one that we're going to use for our craft, they have those 2. Okay, so here's my Kinara that I drew. The black candle in the middle is taller. So I'm going to draw a black candle in the middle. And then on the left is the red candles. And remember, the red candles represent their suffering. They have not always, nor currently, had necessarily an easy life. So the red stands for their hard times that they've been through. Okay? But on the right side, they have green candles to represent hope. Even though they have had those hard times and people have been mean to them and all sorts of different things, they still have hope. And I could even grab a yellow. And if you wanted, you probably, oh, you can see it a lot better than I can see it on my paper. You could light your candles if you wanted. Using yellow, you could draw a little teardrop shape and light your candles. Okay, if you need to pause the video on any part of this page, go ahead and do so. But I'm going to put my markers away because I put my stuff away when I'm done using it. 1, so that way it doesn't get lost. 2, it doesn't get broken or ruined. And 3, I don't have a mess. Okay, so I put my markers away, and now I'm going to swap my paper for my project. Okay? All right. So we have our Kinara, and I'm just going to place my candles here, and then I'm going to have you glue them down on yours, okay? Remember, the black one goes in the center, so you would just put a little bit of glue right here, and then stick your black one there, okay? Put a little bit of glue right here, stick your red one there, put a little bit of glue right there, stick a red candle there, put a little bit of glue right there, and stick a red candle there. Then going over to the right side, put a little bit of glue, stick your candle, put a little bit of glue, stick your candle, put a little bit of glue, stick your candle. Now comes the tricky part. Usually our candle flames are not right on top of our candle, they're up here a little bit. If you have a bigger piece of paper and you want to glue the Kinara onto a bigger piece of paper, and then you want to glue your flame above your candle, go for it. If you don't want to use another piece of paper, you can just glue your flame right on top of your candle. That'll be okay. Okay? But you do have enough flames to continue. I have more flames, but I'm going to leave this here, and I think that you can finish. All you need to do is glue your candles, and then glue your flames, and then you have a Kinara. Okay? And you could practice Kwanzaa and talking about the 7 principles of Kwanzaa with your family. I hope that you did learn something about Kwanzaa and that you had fun today. Tomorrow we are going to Mexico. So get ready and have a great day.